Rio, Rio.
Hey guys, so I literally just woke up, but today is moving day, senior year, RA edition. Yeah. It's currently August 3rd, and yeah, we gotta move in 2 weeks earlier than everyone else. So yeah, just watch this little day as I move in. Yeah, right now I'm about to brush my teeth, wash my face, finish packing up this little carry-on suitcase to put it in my car. And other than that, we good. Like, the car is packed. And yeah, oh my gosh, I probably look crazy. But yeah, I don't feel too tired. So yeah, just watch me do this little stuff. Y'all gonna see me do my bathroom things. And then I'll get back to y'all when I'm doing something, more worth your time.
Take off the foo-foo, take off the cloud chase, take off the Wi-Fi, take off the money phone, take off the car loan, take off the flex and the white loss, take off the real that's jewelry. I'ma take good steps, then I'm taking off top off. Take off the fabricate streams and the microwave memes. It's a real world outside. Take off your idols, take off the runway, take off the Cairo, take off the Sandro, pay 5-day stay, take off for the meal, hella 5-day. Take off the fuck flag, take off perception, take off the cop with the iPad.
This. One thing I hate about going anywhere is that I have to wait until the last day to pack up things like this. Which way does this go again? Yeah, I gotta wait till the very last second. I can't figure out where that's about to go, honestly. I feel like y'all can't see me. Okay, so yeah. Oh, I picked up for real, like, you see? I got that Topicals Brightening Cleansing Bar. I'll pray that it be some. But, anyway.
Two ATMs, you stepping to what? You have who you think they talk about us? Who you think they carry out for us? The world in a panic, the women is stranded, the men on the run, the profits are vanished, the law take advantage, the market is crashing, the industry wants niggas and bitches to sleep in the box, but they making a mockery following us. This ain't monopoly, watching for love. This ain't monogamy, y'all getting fucked. Jumping on what the hell is that? I gotta relax when I feel. All my descendants, they come in my sleep and say I am too real.
Oh yeah, I got that new EOS Strawberry Dream. It smells so good, but I'm waiting for me to get to school, so I didn't open it. Yeah. Now I'm gonna brush my teeth, wash my face. Y'all don't have to see me do that.
Take off the fake D, take off the fake woke, take off the I'm broke, I care. Take off the gossip, take off the new logic, that if I'm rich, I'm real. Take off the shit mill, take off the dojo, take off the Birkin bag. Take all that designer bullshit off, and what do you have? You ugly as fuck. Two ATMs, you stepping to what? You have who you think they talk about us? Who you think they carry out for us? The world in a panic, the women is stranded, the men on the run, the profits are vanished, the law take advantage, the market is crashing, the industry wants niggas and bitches to sleep in the box, but they making a mockery following us. This ain't monopoly, watching for love. This ain't monogamy, y'all getting fucked. Jumping on what the hell is that? I gotta relax when I feel. All my descendants, they come in my sleep and say I am too real. I'm done with the sensitive, taking it personal, done with the black and the white, the wrong and the right. You hoping for change, you miracles, I know the feeling. You hoping for change, you miracles, I know the feelings that came with burial cries. Take off your idols, take off the runway, take off the Cairo, take off the Sandro, pay 5-day stay, take off for the meal, hella 5-day. Take off the fuck flag, take off perception, take off the cop with the iPad. Take off the allure, take off the unsure, take off decisions I mad. Take off the fake D, take off the fake woke, take off the I'm broke, I care. Take off the gossip, take off the new logic, that if I'm rich, I'm real. Take off the shit mill, take off the dojo, take off the Birkin bag. Take all that designer bullshit off, and what do you have?
So this is what my car is looking like. I'm about to put this book bag on top of this boat. So yeah. I keep looking at this and not the camera again, but yeah, so I'm ready. Whenever they're ready, we can get this little show on the road. But yeah, that's, oops, car doors. I forgot about this. My toiletry bag. Toiletry bag is too big to put in there, so. Oops, sorry. I'll put it over here. Yes, very delicate. All right, y'all, I made it. I gotta go check in at EL. Ew. I think it got hotter, so I'm about to take this hoodie off. I need to make sure my mom knew where to go. She probably don't know. I lost them when I was driving. Oof. Take out my little Eagle card that's been sitting here. Ew. All summer. I need to figure out where they at. I need to figure out where they are, but at least I'm here. Hold on, y'all, 1 second. All right, y'all, I'm about to go check in. I had to call my mom because she ain't know where to go. But let's see how this goes. I need to get a cart. It looks like a lot of people are already here. I don't love that for me. But these cars, so no. I ain't never seen it look like this before.
You have a good summer?
Yo, I'm trying to record. This is a lot. I just got my cart, but kind of getting hot a little bit. Y'all, moving is just a stressful time. So my room is so small and it's hard for me to like configure things because I don't know where it's supposed to go. So this is how my room is looking right now. Oh, Jesus, take the wheel. Just take the wheel. Okay, y'all, so my mom and siblings are in my room trying to get stuff together. So I can't do anything else. Yeah, that's where we are right now.
I didn't know what my white shirt was.
Oh yeah, you gotta get to that. The illustrious NCCU. Y'all, I forgot to respond. It's been a long day. I forgot to record again. But right now I'm just unpacking some stuff. Yeah, let me show you what I got going on in this sweet area and in my room. So this is what it's looking like right now. It looks worse than it is. You know, I'm trying. We had training for like a few hours, so I couldn't really get anything done. So yeah, that's what it's looking like in there with a rug. Yeah, some cleaning supplies right there. That is just a little storage area for my stuff. Actually, now that I think about it, I can take some of that. I'll put that there. I don't feel drained anymore, but I'm definitely gonna be tired. And then we have to wake up. Well, I'm gonna wake up by like 7:15-ish because we have to be at training at 9 o'clock in the morning. So I'm definitely trying to have this little area cleared out by tonight, definitely, because waking up to this would literally stress me out. So there's not really anywhere for me to like set you down. That's why I'm like just giving this brief update. I want to show y'all when everything is like cleared, because right now I can't even focus on talking. Talking is gonna prolong my unpacking. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to work, and y'all are definitely gonna see the outcome of my room when I think it's ready. But yeah, this is the business casual I was wearing. I was wearing these pants and these little flats. Yeah, it's like a little dinner banquet thing. We had to introduce ourselves and like do a little bingo, get to know you with the other RAs. But I'm gonna get back to packing, and when you see me next time, I should look somewhat ready for bed, and this should be cleared. So yeah. So room looks better, but the lights I forgot the remote. So I'd have to put in my curtain lights, and I don't really feel like doing that right now. Like, all the clothes are put up. I'm happy about that. I went to sleep day one with the clothes put up, so that's great. But I don't want to show you my room because it don't look all the way done. Like, it's missing stuff. I don't like the blanket. I don't know if it's matching. I didn't really come in with the theme, but like, if I'm gonna show y'all, I need to look like something. You know what I'm saying? The room ain't that big, but I want it to look like a little something. I can show you what the living room is looking like though, because all of that looks better, and I said I would show y'all. So, oh, the lighting is trash in here. Oh my gosh, I'm sitting here talking to y'all, and the lighting is atrocious. Yeah, we're gonna have to get some lights in here ASAP because this ain't gonna work. And I hate this light. I don't like big lights. But yeah, I'm just happy that everything is somewhat put up. I don't know. I guess I could show y'all a little bit. Hold on. Oh, much better. These are trash bags. That's gonna go down to the trash room. And I moved the chairs around a little bit here, right here in the corner, because it can't fit in my room. Did I show you my room a little bit? This is what it's looking like a little bit, y'all. I don't even remember if I showed y'all, but the light kind of making it a little glare. Put my TV right here because there's literally nowhere else I can put it. That light right there, don't know where the remote is. I think I left it at home. So yeah, that's why I said I need the other lights put up. But this is all I'm doing for right now. I don't really have a theme. This is like it's like a weird color. Pink. I don't know. It's like, you can't really tell the color right now, but this and this cool. Gray, I guess gray's supposed to go everything. I don't know. This ain't my best work for my last year without trying to buy mad stuff. So yeah. This is my room. I'm completely satisfied. Very small, but you know, it's cute. You know, it's getting the job done. I just got these 2 pillows to match my carpet. And I've had this since last year. Just a cute little inhale, exhale poster. And then I have this clock. I've had that since freshman year. Didn't use it last year, but yeah. That's it. Not much, but it's something. So yeah. And with that being said, I think I'm gonna just close out this video. This week has been a lot, but I just wanted to finally get a move and vlog out. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and yeah, stay tuned for the next video. Bye.